Go ahead and get this piece of paper from the back of your packet and put your name, number, and date on it, and let's talk about how you are going to solve these problems. All right, the directions on this say use the distributive property to find the area of the tiled rectangles. And here we have rectangles, and they are broken up into different squares, and we have the measurement of the rectangles. And what you are to do is you are to measure the first rectangle. I've highlighted the first rectangle here. So I see that this is 4 tall, 4 squares tall, 5 squares wide. Now we also have another rectangle on the other side of it. This was one big rectangle and it was just cut into two. This rectangle is 4 tall, but it is 2 wide. Now that is the same thing as a rectangle that is 4 tall and 7 wide. So 4 times 5, which is this rectangle right here, plus 4 times 2, which is this rectangle right here, is the same thing as 4 times 7. And then you are to solve this. So 4 times 5 is 20. And 4 times 2 is 8. And 20 plus 8, because you're adding the area of both rectangles, is 28. All right? And that's how you are going to solve the problems on this piece of paper. Okay, we've got 6 rectangles you are going to look at. You're going to write down the size of the first rectangle, the size of the second rectangle. You're going to solve the area for each rectangle, add them together, and give the total square feet. All right, when you are done with this paper, you may move on to the next step in your pathway.